Meet the Antonov An-225 Maria, the largest airplanes ever built. Developed in the 1980 by the Soviet Union, this flying beast was originally designed to carry to power space shuttle. With a wingspan of 88.4 meters and a length of 84, with a wingspan of 88.5 meters. Introducing the Airbus A380, the largest passenger airplane in the world. Designed by Airbus, this double-decker jet is like a flying city in the sky. With a wingspan of 79.75 meters and a length of 72.7 meters, the A380 can carry over 850 passengers in an all-economy layout of about 555 in Type L3 classes. That's like a flying an entire small town. Powered by 4 giant engines, it cruises at 900 km per hour and can fly over 15,000 kilometers non-stop, enough to travel from the New York to Dubai without refueling. Inside, passengers enjoy wide combinations, quick flights, and even of on-board bars of showers depending on the airline. The A380 is a favorite among travelers for its comfort and size. Though productions stopped in 2021, the A380 continues to fly for major airlines like Emirates and Singapore Airlines. A true marvel of modern aviation, the A380 is luxury, size, and power in one majestic bird. Shall we move on to the Boeing 747-8? Say hello to the Boeing 747-8, the longest commercial aircraft ever built and the latest version of the legendary 747 family, nicknamed the Queen of the Skies. This aircraft has led the airways since the 1970s. The 747-8 stretches an incredible 76.3 meters in a length with a wingspan of the 68.4 meters. It can carry up to the 467 passengers in the 3 class and configuration and fly for over 14,000 kilometers direct from London to Hong Kong without stopping. Powered by 4 advanced engines, the 747-8 is not just a massive, it is an efficient, fast and reliable. Its iconic hump design allows of extra seating or cargo space, and it's used by both airlines and as a cargo jet, the 747-8F. It also serves as the base of the upcoming Air Force One, the flying command center of the US President. A strong, stylish and historic, the 747-8 is aviation royalty. Meet the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, one of the largest military aircraft in the world. Built by Lockheed Martin, this American giant is designed to carry massive cargo across the globe quickly and efficiently, stretching 75.3 meters in a length with a wingspan of the 67.9 meters. The C-5 is a true flying warhouse. It can carry over 135 tons of cargo, enough for the tanks, helicopter, trucks, or even a small base station. Its unique design features its nose that opens upward, allowing cargo to be loaded straight through the front to the pole in the continental down, using its landing gear, making loading even easier. The C-5 has served in almost every major US military operation since the 1970s, and it's still flying strong today thanks to the constant upgrade under the C-5M Super Galaxy program. Massive, mighty, and missions ready, the C-5 Galaxy is a true workhorse of the skies. Which of these flying legends amazed you the most? Tell us in a comment. And if you love discovering the power, skills, and secrets of modern machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts from the world, technology, and science. Until next time, keep looking up because the sky is not the limit, it is just to be the beginning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.